What does it mean to be an educated person? Does it take these books behind me to be an educated person? Does it take $50,000 in debt to be an educated person? Is it a piece of paper on the wall, or is it an attitude? Is it a way we carry ourselves or a way that we solve problems? I submit to you that it is a way we solve problems by using the technology and books that surround us and the information that is abound for all of us to use in these highly advanced days. To be an educated person is simply a matter of doing, of motivating yourself to move on and discover some things that you may never have known. This zone of proximal development is where we should be setting ourselves, striving always to reach higher, to learn more, taking on the things that we don't know. If we can do that, success or failure means nothing. It's the fact that I am doing it. This makes me an educated person.